Hello teacher and partner, this is my presentation. My name is Vanessa Tapia Fontalvo. The following presentation is about back formation. Back formation, what is back formation? It's the process of creating a new lesson or new word. Describe the way certain words are formed and is either called back derivation. Back formation. A back formation is a shortened word, such as edit, created from a longer word, editor. So, edit is a process in which do you want to modify a document. An editor is the person who writes or edit a document. This is the difference between edit and editor. Another is sync. Sync is back formation of singer. And in sync produce musical tones by means of the voice, and a singer, a person who sings and especially professional. This is the difference between sync and a singer. Another is lace and lazy. Lace is back formation of lazy, and lazy means pass time in a relaxed, lazy manner. Unlazy and unwilling to work or use energy. This is the person that usually don't do that, don't do anything, absolutely anything. Another word is enthus and enthusiasm. An enthus is a back formation of enthusiasm. An enthus express excitement about something or great interest in. Enthusiasm, a feeling of energetic interest in a particular subject or activity. This is another list of back formation because there are a lot of words that is formed about another word. So this is a short list of back formation. The back formation has the specific functions. Specific functions. A word that is formed from an exciting word which looks as a thought and is derivated, typically by removal of a suffix. The back derivations doesn't have a type. Thus, this is the general functions that has it. So teacher, that's all about back formation. So thank you for all. Bye bye.